We're almost at the Hyundai Motor Factory. Be ready to get off.
Here, take this.
Huh? Where's everyone? Wow. Is this the Hyundai Motor Factory?
Hi, I'm Blue from Hyundai Motor, and I'll be your tour guide for today. Wait, where's the other one?
Another person? That?
Is this yours?
Yes. Did you just laugh?
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
Come on, guys. I'll lead you to the world of Hyundai Motor.
Huh? Where are we, Blue? This is...
Iron ore. And this is the steelworks. Let's go down.
Wow! Cool! Looks like the lava from a volcano.
It's molten metal, not lava.
I know! Molten metal.
That's right. Molten metal becomes very strong steel after many processes. And we make cars with it.
Huh? What are they?
Huh? Looks like scrap metal?
No! We call it valuable resource. We smelt them in an electric furnace and make new steel.
That means we can reuse steel again and again.
That's right. So, do you want to find out the process behind how the steel becomes a car?
Yes!
Yeah.
Wow! Looks like a sugar snack press!
Making a car roughly takes 5 processes. The first step is stamping. The steel plate is bent and cut into various parts. Then, robots weld those parts 4,800 times to join them together into a chassis. The chassis wears pretty colors during the painting process. Then we assemble 25,000 different parts, like an engine, brakes, and... ta-da! A nice car is born!
Wow! Can we get in the car?
Not yet. It cannot be on the road until it passes many safety inspections.
Whoa! So many cars, I can't even count! Wow, so cool! Molten metal really became a car. Amazing!
How could Hyundai Motor become a huge company like this?
Because we've made constant efforts, trying to challenge ourselves. Pony in 1974 was our first domestically developed car. The first exported car was Excel to the US in 1986. In 1991, we self-developed an engine, the heart of the car. And in 2010, our Tau engine won the 2010 World Best Engine Award for the 3rd consecutive year. Isn't that great?
That's amazing!
Hop in! The real fun begins now.
Wow, where are we? It's huge!
This is the Hyundai Proving Ground in California. It is the 3rd largest proving ground in the US.
Wow! Yahoo!
Hey! You're being a bit noisy.
This is the vehicle crash test site. They will test a head-on collision soon, so don't panic.
Wow, crash test? Huh? The driver!
Calm down. It's a robot called Dummy.
A robot?
That's right. Newly developed cars take various collision tests here hundreds of times. A dummy is an experimental robot used to test passenger safety.
It's hot. It's so cold. Huh? This place...
This is the Powertrain Center. In here, we research and develop major car parts, like engines, trying to make better cars.
Cool! They must be car designers.
You're interested in paintings, right?
Yes.
Do you know that it takes more than 30,000 drawings to make one car design? Because all of us do our best in each field like this, Hyundai Motor has become a global company, which has more than 6,000 sales networks in over 180 countries worldwide.
Wow, the car was transformed.
This is Hyundai's concept car for the future.
Future?
Yes, the designs for no exhaust gases, less fossil fuel, and recyclable cars will protect the future environment. Not only the technology development, but Hyundai Motor Company participates in many social contribution activities throughout the world to make a world where everyone can live a happy life.
Wow, they really are doing a lot of good deeds.
Also, we contribute to world peace and harmony by supporting various sports games, including the World Cup, which unites globally.
I see. Interested in volunteer activities?
Yes. Now I'm mostly doing community service, but when I go to college, I want to be a member of the Global Youth Volunteers.
Wow, that sounds cool. I'll do my best to make my dreams come true, too.
Sorry that I laughed at you before, but you're really good at drawing.
That was childish.
Okay, time to go back.
I had a nice time today.
Me too.
We're almost at the Hyundai Motor Factory. Be ready to get off.
It was a dream? I thought we became friends.
Hey, come on. Don't be left behind. Come on, we're late.
Wait, Thank you, Hyundai Motor.